Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to live stream on TikTok PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So whether you want to live stream your games, your computer screen, or just your webcam, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to go live on TikTok using a computer. First of all, open up any internet browser on your PC. In the search bar, type TikTok Live Studio and press enter. From the search results, click on the top website that says Download Live Studio. Once the page opens, click on the Download for Windows button. After the download is complete, click on your Downloads folder from the top right corner and open the downloaded file. Now simply follow the on-screen instructions to install TikTok Live Studio on your computer. If you already have it installed, you can just open your Start menu and launch the TikTok Live Studio app from there. Once the app opens, make sure you're signed into the correct TikTok account. After signing in, you can start setting up your live stream layout. To do this, click on the plus icon next to the Sources section. Here, you'll see multiple options for capturing content from your computer. Most of the time, you'll want to start with either Display Capture or Window Capture. Select one of these options and click Add. If you want to stream a specific game or application, click on the drop-down arrow, and as long as the program is running in the background, it will appear in the list. For example, if you want to stream a game like Roblox, open the Roblox player first. Once it's running, go back to TikTok Live Studio, select it from the list, make sure Capture Cursor is enabled if needed, and then click Add Source. You can also change the scene layout between portrait and landscape. Since TikTok is a vertical platform, it's recommended to keep the layout set to portrait. If your screen appears cropped or doesn't fill the entire frame, you can easily resize or reposition the display by dragging and scaling it within the preview window. If you want to add more elements, click the plus icon again and choose options like camera to add your webcam. Select your webcam from the list, adjust the settings if needed, and then click Add Source. You can resize and move your webcam overlay anywhere on the screen. TikTok Live Studio also allows you to add extras like follower goals, alerts, and notifications, which you can customize based on your preference. Once everything is set up and you're ready to start streaming, simply click the Go Live button at the bottom of the screen. If your TikTok account is eligible to go live, your stream will begin. If not, TikTok may redirect you to a page where you'll need to apply for live access. And that's it. So that's basically how you can live stream on TikTok PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.